Now let's play with the 2020 digital planner. This here is the LifeWork version and I am using NoteShelf 2 for this video. NoteShelf 2 is my favorite app, and for this video only I have deactivated the hyperlinks just because I don't want to mess up this video by clicking a link without wanting. Now, this version is for landscape iPad view, and although you can rotate it just like that, the design does not fit the screen properly, so you'll have to zoom it, which is not ideally. So, if you're using your iPad vertically, please check the vertical iPad view version instead. Well, you don't have to worry about this. I will also include some screenshots with the vertical iPad view inside this video. And below the video, you can find 2 links for both landscape and vertical demo versions. Try them out, see which one is best for you before you actually purchase the planner. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and leave your comment in the comment section below. If you're looking for a digital planner for your iPad, go to my Etsy store, thefeathersinc.etsy.com.